First, fill the water tank with water. Be careful not to exceed the max line. Add the desired amount of coffee grounds to the coffee filter. Place the carafe on the warming plate. Simply press the brew button. Wait 30 seconds for preheating, and brewing will start automatically. The machine will brew all the water in the tank at once. If you prefer less coffee, press the 1 to 4 cup button first, then the brew button. If your coffee tastes too weak, press the bold brew button for a stronger, richer brew. After a short while, brewing will be completed. We hope you enjoy your perfect cup of coffee.